Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another module. So today we have an exciting topic to discuss with you guys, that is ads copywriting opportunities with ChatGPT. So as you guys know, ChatGPT is an incredible language model that is developed by OpenAI, and it's making waves in various fields nowadays. So one of its most promising applications is the realm of copywriting for advertisements. So exactly, in this video we'll deep dive into the world of ChatGPT and explore how it can revolutionize the way we create compelling ad copies. So without further ado, let's just get started. So before starting, some of you guys might be wondering why should we use ChatGPT for writing ad copies? Why only ChatGPT? Well, there are several reasons that make it an excellent choice or excellent option for you guys. So the number one could be creativity boost. ChatGPT, can come up with fresh and innovative ideas, as you guys have seen by now with different applications of that. And one of that can create two innovative ideas for your ad copies, ensuring that your brand stands out from the competition that is already available in the market. So the number two reason might be time efficiency. So this is very important. It can save you hours of brainstorming and writing, gathering ideas and all that. So it can save all that time for you, as it generates persuasive copy quickly and more efficiently. So the number three and the last reason could be audience centric. So ChatGPT can tailor your ad copy to suit the preferences and interests of your targeted audience, leading to better engagement and conversions. So now comes the very important point, what are the basic types of ads that ChatGPT can create, or that you can get help from ChatGPT in order to create certain ads? What kind of ads does ChatGPT can create? So first and foremost is ChatGPT can create captivating ad for our social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and etc. So these concise and engaging copies are really perfect for capturing the attention of our social media audience. So the number two type of the ad that ChatGPT can create can be Google ads. Google and Facebook ad, will be seeing that in our next module. So for pay-per-click advertisement, ChatGPT can create compelling ad copies that are relevant to users' search queries, driving more traffic to your website. So the number three ads can be video ads. ChatGPT can now really help you to write scripts for those video ads, that resonate with your audience. So imagine how cool and how good the AI has become nowadays. So the number four ads can be for the email marketing, as you guys have seen earlier. Personalized and persuasive email copies are really crucial for a successful email marketing campaign. So now you can get help from ChatGPT in that purpose as well. So there you have it. In today's video, we have seen some of the opportunities out of which you can use ChatGPT for ad copywriting. So we also saw some of the advantages of ChatGPT for ads copywriting, and we also saw some of the types of ads you can get help from ChatGPT in order to create one. So that will be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'm sure to see you in the next video, where we'll be exactly doing a lab demonstration of creating a Facebook and as well as a Google ad. So I'll see you in that video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.